Today we'll be making Cajun shrimp pasta. When you come home from work and you still have to prepare a meal for the family, then this recipe is perfect for you because it is easy and quick. You can fancy this up by adding scallops, clams, mussel, lobster, whatever you want. First, you want to peel and devein some shrimp. We need 300 grams net. In a small plate, add 1/4 teaspoon each dried basil, dried thyme, and parsley. Measure 2 teaspoons Cajun seasonings, 2 teaspoons smoked paprika or regular paprika. Keep in mind, different brand has different color intensity. Shred your Parmesan cheese. We need about ½ cup. Be mindful of the brand of the cheese that you use. If I'm using Parmigiano Reggiano that I bought from Costco, then I will have a thinner sauce pasta. But if I'm using the brand from Aldi, the award-winning specially selected, the end result will be a thicker sauce pasta. So it is your preference. Combine ½ cup chicken broth and ½ cup white wine. Prepare the garlic. I like to trim the base of the garlic clove before chopping. We need about 1 tablespoon garlic. Heat up 2 tablespoons olive oil and 2 tablespoons butter in a pan. Add your chopped garlic. Saute until the garlic turns slightly yellow, then add the shrimp. Or you can add the shrimp and scallops if you are using scallops. Saute until the shrimp is almost cooked. Add the dried ingredients, and then saute briefly. Add the chicken broth and wine. Continue cooking until it boils. Add 3/4 cup cream. Continue cooking until it boils. Add 3/4 cup cream. Once it boils again, add the shredded cheese and black pepper. Then boil a pot of water. When the water boils, add the pasta. This recipe works with 200 grams of dried spaghetti, but I'm using my leftover fresh pasta. I like to cook my noodles slightly less than al dente, then cook it in the sauce briefly until al dente. This is a personal preference. You can cook your noodles until al dente and just pour the sauce on top. Turn off the heat and your Cajun shrimp pasta is ready. If you like my video, please help support my channel by clicking the subscribe button and don't forget to like the video. I want to show you the other one that I made with spaghetti, and fettuccine actually works well for this recipe. But to be very honest, nothing beats the fresh made pasta. Thank you all for watching and see you next time.